Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. So once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You see, want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, viewers, if you just watch and you like the content, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, your word name. No? Yeah, I make a grow the thing, you know? Yeah, you don't know. You don't know the focus not too there from the other day, because the focus is there, but you don't know, you know, we have to make some other things happen elsewhere, because the bills need to be paid. You see what I say? Yes, I come like Babylon, you don't know. You never go into that. But I promised that I had my video yesterday with an interview from a brother who got Ethiopia go live for a while. You see it? And I did kind of have what you call it, an idea of the energy of the video. You see it? So I never to get too much of a surprise, to be fair, about the video. But when I do investigation, because I have to ask certain questions and things, certain things that add up about the whole video. So essentially the video is also like a propaganda. You see, in a way, could have been construed that way. You see, and it could have been made to cast a lot of misrepresentation and misinformation. See, based on whoever hear the video, because I will have a damning argument tonight. I still have the video. You see, but even when after I done the interview, me and my brother knows the boy, I would even publish that video here. See, in some way, somehow, him make some connection somewhat and decide say him have a change of heart. See, him now bother publish the video, which probably is a healthy decision. You see, because even I, whenever I go Ethiopia yet, observe say something not right with the information them where I come across and the allegation them. You see, and in at the end, even him admits say I feel him fault. So it's not a thing where I want, given the climate and given the gravity, given the nature, the circumstance and threat to life, because he might go back and he have family down there and all of them things there, you see. And all of the information was a misrepresentation of the reality. You see. So we still have the video them. You see. So it's only because I promised to show them, because I'm ready to show it last night. But you know, I said, my job back in the whole thing, I said this. You know, make no sense. You play a one-man view where it's a misrepresentation of the whole thing, because it, you know, because a man want to chat, you see, you go give him platform for chat certain things span where even you in yourself know say are ridiculous. You see, so I don't bother with it. So that's why I do that video for me that I don't know say. And I don't really, you see. No, that's why I man now go pursue the avenue there, because at the end of the day, you know, the Zion we talk about You see, yeah, Ethiopia we are talking about. You see, our Zion, you know, our head, our way. You see it, and the facts are for right, the facts are for correct. You see what I say? Because some man go Ethiopia with some spoiled mentality. You see it? Some Jamaican type mentality, and the people them down there, them love them culture, way back culture, Salamanic culture. You see, yeah, them thing that them observe, and the man them are gonna make reference certain way. The people might expect a certain level, regardless of what them know or what is the reality. Of you them have a model in them head where them observe. You see, and when if you come and you shift the whole thing, you see it. Yeah, people more disappointed and them more want to run at you. So, you know, them so you get an idea of what really are going down there. You see it with some Rasta man and or some man down there. And the people them see. So yeah, I now pursue that regardless of what you know see it. Yeah. Cause I've never heard that before. And like me say, a whole heap of the claim them sound, you know, far out and outlandish. So yeah, I hate that. I not follow it. And I ask for forgiveness for even things so well then it should have been or might have been appropriate for, you know. Yeah, and for the item when I look forward to it, you don't know. Sorry for the broken promise. You know, see it, but we could move on still. See? Yeah, I give thanks. Rastafari.